Hello, in this video, we will introduce objects and methods. In Python, all data, including numbers and strings, are actually objects. A number is object, a string is object, every data is an object. Objects of the same kind have the same type. You can use the ID function and type function to get this piece of information. For example, I'm going to have this item. And I'm going to have this x is 3, x is integer. Now I'm going to use this type x. Now you see this is the class int. Let's have this y is 4.5 and type y is float. Let's look at the string is s is welcome and the type for s is string. A variable in Python is actually a reference to an object. So look at this variable. N is 3, f is 3.0, s is welcome. Now this n is actually a reference to the object in the memory. Each object has an ID. You can obtain the ID using ID function. ID x is, so this is the ID for x. When we write the code here, assign 3 to n, we say n is an integer variable that holds value 3. Strictly speaking, assign 3 to n means that n is a variable that references an int object for value 3. For simplicity, it's fine to say n is an int variable with value 3. For the objects, you can invoke the methods on the objects. Methods are just functions. And those are the functions called from the objects. For example, this is the string s. So we're going to invoke s.lower. This is the function on the object. So this is now called a method. S.lower it returns the lowercase for the string. So now S1 is welcome. Now please note that S is not changed. S.lower and just return a new string into this S1. So S1 now points to this new string. It's all in lowercase. S.upper is to get all the uppercase. We're going to look at the methods more in the next video. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.